Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a playlist on Spotify app. So at first, you need to download the Spotify app and create an account. After doing these things, just go to the Spotify app. Now here in the Spotify app, you can see in the bottom third option here, your library. Just click on it. After clicking on it, just click on the top right plus icon here. After clicking the plus icon, here you can see in the bottom two options here. The first one is playlist and the second one is blend. Just click on the first one, playlist. After clicking it, just give your playlist a name, anything you want, give a name. After giving a name, just click on create. Now you can add songs to your playlist. Just click on songs, these recommended songs here. I'm just choosing randomly. You can also add to this playlist another songs. Just click on here, add to playlist, and here you can see there is a search bar here in the top. Click on the search bar and you can search for songs that you can add to your playlist. After searching, just click on the songs plus icon in the right side and the songs will be added to your playlist. So guys, this is how you can make playlist on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.